Hello, everyone. This is another unboxing video of something very tremendous. I've received so much positive feedback and reviews on my numerous other videos that I've decided to make another one. So for today's unboxing, I have this box which just arrived today. Some car parts. I had them, they're overnight car parts from Japan. And by overnight, I mean 2 to 3 weeks. And by Japan, I mean China. As you can tell, this is from Hanya 589th Keeping West Road, Xinhuaku, Xijia Zhuangxi Hibi 050000, China. So it says clearly in the description what it is. It's one wheel cap raised. And so let's unbox this thing. As always, I will be unboxing it with my utility knife. It's kind of difficult to do with one hand. It's very challenging here. Something. It's stuck on my hand. They did a really good job of packaging this. Yeah. There we go. So as you can see, each cap is individually wrapped in a sealed plastic bag, which to try and open. As you can see, this one has to have the metal retention ring corrected in its position. As you can tell, these are authentic raise wheel center caps that fit the TE37 wheels. Oh yeah. Yes. You can see it's a complete set of 4. All in immaculate shape. Really looking forward to installing these on my wheels, on my car, which is downstairs in the underground, in my parking spot. Fuck. All in all, pretty cool product. So far, very satisfied. Very satisfied with how they boxed it and shipped it to me.